In this video, I will be teaching you guys how to import your data from Excel to SPSS. So there are many things you could do with Excel. At the same time, there are limitations. So that's where SPSS comes in. So let's go straight to work. Alright, we have SPSS software opened. So we've already saved our data in Excel and we know the file location. Ensure that. Then we go to File, Import Data, click on Excel. Then locate our file, click Open. Then ensure that these three checked, then click OK. Okay, so now we have our data. Our data has been imported from Excel to SPSS. Alright, so if you click on Variable View, alright, we have all these things, but the labels, values, everything is missing. So click on Data View. So what next? If you click on this particular icon, is supposed to move from numeric to our categorical values. You get? So it is supposed to show us what these numeric values represent, but now we can't find it. So this is where recoding and transforming variables comes in. So I've attached a link to this video. Click on this link to help you know how to recode and transform your variables after importing your data from any other database or Excel or any other ones. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification button for more videos like this. Okay, bye.